2025 Mazda Mazda3 Sedan. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, memory seat, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat. We'll help you find exactly what you're looking for.